Hello friends, welcome to MCQ Education. Today I am here with English Olympiad questions on idioms and phrases. So let's practice these questions. Here is our first question. Now choose the correct meaning of given idiom. To make clean breast off. Read the options very carefully and give your correct answer in the comment box of the video. And the correct answer is option C, to confess without of reserve. And our next question is to keep one's temper. Read the options very carefully. And the correct answer is option B, to be in good mood. Let's move to our next question, to have an axe to grind. Here are the options. Option A, to have no result. Option B, a private end to serve. Option C, to work for both sides. Or option D, none of these. Think about the correct answer and give your answer in the comment box of the video. And the correct answer is, here is our first question. Now choose the correct meaning of given idiom. Next question is to cry wolf. Read the options very carefully and think about the correct answer. And the meaning of cry wolf is option B, to give false alarm. To end in smoke. Read the options very carefully. Option A, make completely understand. Option B, to ruin oneself. Option C, to excite great applause. Or option D, to overcome from something. And the correct meaning is option B, to ruin oneself. Our next question is to put one's hands to plow. Read the options very carefully. Give your correct answer in the comment box of the video. And the correct answer is option D, to take a difficult task. To beg the question. Yes, choose your correct option. And the meaning of this idiom is to take for granted. And our next question is a man of straw. Read the options very carefully. Give your correct answer in the comment box of the video. And the correct answer is option B, a person having no substance or integrity. So friends, please click the like button if you like the video, and please subscribe my channel for more educational videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos.